Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Games of Pi, and this time around it's going to be just a very quick review of the Smallrig tripod ball head. Right, let's get it going. Right guys, so I ordered this off Amazon just a few days ago. I wanted to use it. I wanted to replace the that holder, that kind of ball head here that there is on my tripod already, with something a bit more fluid, and I wanted to have like an Arca type of system because this is a different kind of connection. So so I found this on Amazon. It was just over £20. It comes just like that in a box. It's made out of aluminium for us Europeans. It's very nice and small, feels weighty, feels premium. For the price of it, I mean, you couldn't go wrong. The only thing I mistakenly didn't read carefully is that it has a maximum load of 2 kg. Unfortunately, my current setup for my camera is a little bit heavier than that, so unfortunately the ball head is not able to support that kind of weight. It's an Arca Swiss type connection here. Has the 2 little threads, has 2 screws, one here and one on the other side. These will basically stop the plate from moving, coming out of the mount. So the way to remove the plate is just by unscrewing this little thing that has also like a spirit measure. So if you just unscrew it like that, it will be able to just come off. Obviously has a 1/4 thread therefore to go onto your camera. And here obviously another connection to go into the base of the tripod. Obviously you put it back on. Unfortunately you can quick release it in a way, if that makes sense. It is quicker than, let's say, the other stuff, but it still needs to be put in place and then basically screwed on, like just like that. And the way basically that goes onto that, you basically take off your other head, and then that basically just screws back on here. Super easy installation, feels nice. I really like this because you can also do a kind of like, if you just loosen up this, the ball head obviously will move. You can also do like a vertical mount on it as well. So yeah, super flexible, super nice. It's a shame that the weight, at least for my setup anyways, is a little bit is not strong enough. So but yeah, apart from that, highly recommend it. We'll leave a link in the description for it, so you guys can have a look. I'll leave the link. I'll leave actually both links. I'll leave the Amazon one where I got it from, and I will leave Smallrig's website. It should be still there unless this is like an outdated model. But to be honest, yeah, that is all for now. It's definitely good for lighter stuff, so up to 2 kilos, like GoPros, phones for sure. You know, anything up to 2 kg is great. It will do wonders for you. Yeah, with that said, I will wrap this one up. It's just a very quick one. I wanted you guys to see, because I was looking for one and I couldn't find similar videos like that. So anyway, this is the side of it. It's quite nifty, nice and small, nicely weighted, feels premium. So yeah, I recommend. If it suits your setup, by all means, yeah, go ahead and buy it. Yeah, I'll be leaving a link for a video and a playlist on the screen as well. And then guys, till the next one, take care.